Hello again. We are here again doing a video today, guys. Our video today is how are you guys? Thank you so much for coming watching my vlog or video today. So our video is about assemble the truck clothes, guys. Okay, so this is it, and this is our going to assemble. Ayan, sampayan, guys. This is kind of clothes strap, guys. We're going to be ayan assemble today. So let's begin. Iwan mo yung yung gunting. And halos kasing kalaki ko. Halos kasing laki ko ang lola nyo. Ayan, so we're going to open now our ayan. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Hindi nyo nakikita ang aking ginagawa. Ayan, we're going to assemble. Where I'm going to put down. So, let's start it. Yan. Oh. Ayan o. All the things we're going to assemble this. Okay. So, where is the manual? Where is the manual? So, there is a screw, guys. Ayan, nakalito siya. My goodness. My goodness. Nandito sa kalooban. Whatever. Ayan, we are going to assemble this, guys. Help me and teach me. Help me and teach me. Tama po ba? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put in another 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Tama ba? My goodness. Parang mahaba yung isa. Mahihirapan ang lola nyo nito. Mahihirapan ang lola nyo to. With my daughter. Ate, yan o. Yung pauna. Ito, yun o.
Ito?
Oo.
Saan tayo lagay?
Ayun na, nakamama na. Dahil na itong ano. Dito sa school. Ito yung lahat. Baliktad, ate. Dito sa kabila dapat yan. Okay, ganyan. Pwede nga.
Kasi gabalik tayo na natin. Ay, pa ganito, ata.
Hindi, ini-screw yan ate. Hindi, meron naman dyan. Dito yan. Tapos pa ganyan yan dyan sa kabila. Oh, yeah.
Next.
Next. Yung nandito sa gitna sa taas. Tadadam, tadadam. Almost. Huwag mo gulong natin, ha? Yes, babay ko na dito. Single thing. Ito na lang problema. Almost done, guys. Ayan. This is our clothes truck. Tama ba, ate?
Ayan nga, baliktad nga yung pagkakalagay natin ito.
Tanggalin. This is it, guys. Our sampayan hanging for the clothes. We are done a symbol. Ayan. So we're going to hang now our clothes that I washed today. So we sit already here in outside, guys, in the porch. We are in the porch, guys. We're going to hang our clothes here. So this is our sampayan now, guys. Ayan. Hello, we are done our washing our clothes today. My goodness, it's Monday. A lot of works. Ayan. Marami pa doon, guys. There is a lot of inside more, guys. So, later na naman or tomorrow I'm gonna hang it. But I try to keep on the air the clothes so it will not smell a little bit. So this is our video today, Monday more. So we're done, guys. Ayan, marami pa. And the pillow is inside. Ayan, there is just a pillow. I wash it because when I bought this from Balikbayan bags, ayan, nadumihan siya, guys, because of floods. So it's smell not good, so I wash this day on washing machine and I dry also or spin. So I have a pillow later on. I hope so, maybe tomorrow or 2 days. So this more. So babush everyone, and again thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channels, guys, and don't forget the bell button there also, guys. Ting ting ting, something like that, okay? So babush everyone, and thank you so much again. Have a good day and stay safe. Babush.